What if everything you knew about muscle growth was wrong? For the next 30 days, I'm ignoring the bro science and following a strict 2026 hypertrophy protocol. No junk volume, no ego lifting, just pure data. Most people quit by day 14 because they don't see the scale move, but that's because they're looking at the wrong metrics. Today, I'm breaking down the exact science of the 30-day reset so you can replicate it yourself. From the leucine threshold to the mechanical tension curve, this is the blueprint for the modern lifter. To understand why we're changing the protocol, we first have to define the enemy: junk volume. Most lifters think that if 3 sets are good, 6 sets must be better, but the science of 2026 shows a diminishing return curve. After your second or third high-intensity set, the muscle is already signaled to grow. Every set you do after that isn't building more muscle, it's just building more fatigue. During this 30-day reset, we move to a low-volume, high-intensity model. We are focusing on mechanical tension. This is the tension created when a muscle fiber is stretched and contracted under a load that is heavy enough to slow down your rep speed involuntarily. Here is the 2026 protocol. For every exercise, you will perform only 2 working sets. The first is a heavy set in the 6 to 8 rep range. The second is a back-off set in the 10 to 12 rep range. But here's the catch. Both sets must be taken to within 1 rep of technical failure. Technical failure is the point where you can't do another rep with perfect form. We are also implementing the 2-second stretch rule. Studies now confirm that the lengthened partial, the bottom part of a lift where the muscle is stretched, is the most anabolic part of the movement. By pausing for 1 second at the bottom of a chest press or a squat, you're forcing the muscle to generate force from a dead stop. This creates a massive spike in hypertrophic signaling without needing to spend 2 hours in the gym. If you aren't shaking by the end of your second set, you didn't reach the threshold. By day 15, most lifters hit a wall. Your central nervous system is fried and your muscles feel flat. This is where 90% of people make the mistake of adding more calories. But the science of 2026 tells us it's not about the quantity, it's about the signaling. Enter the leucine threshold. Think of your muscle like a construction site. You can have all the bricks in the world. That's your total protein. But if the foreman doesn't show up to start the shift, nothing gets built. Leucine is that foreman. To flip the switch on muscle protein synthesis, you need a bolus of at least 3 grams of leucine in a single sitting. If you're grazing on small protein snacks all day, you never hit that threshold and the construction site stays closed. During this 30-day reset, we aren't just eating protein, we are timing it. We're looking at bioavailability. Science shows that 40 grams of whey or beef protein triggers a significantly higher growth response than the same amount from lower quality plant sources due to the amino acid profile. And don't forget the anabolic window myth. It's not 30 minutes post-workout, it's a 24-hour rolling window. During this challenge, the goal is 4 distinct protein feedings spread 4 hours apart. This keeps your body in an anabolic state for the entire 30 days. If you miss this, you aren't just missing a meal, you're missing a growth opportunity. So, what happens after 30 days of optimizing every variable? The results aren't just physical, they're neurological. By removing the junk volume, your recovery actually catches up to your effort. You'll find that your strength on key lifts, like the incline press or the weighted pull-up, starts to climb linearly again. This 30-day experiment proves that the science-based approach isn't about doing more, it's about doing what works. You don't need 2 hours in the gym, you need 45 minutes of high-intensity, high-tension execution. If you're tired of spinning your wheels and want the exact spreadsheet I used to track this 30-day reset, I've made it available for free. It's my Muscle Growth Reset Guide, and the link is in the description below. Join the community, hit the subscribe button, and let's stop guessing and start growing. I'll see you in the next breakdown.